Alright, so let us now solve from question number 9 here. So as you can see that it is given that let x1, x2, x3 be a random sample from a normal distribution, right? That is 5 to distribution. Mean is 5 and SD is 2. So you are given one condition that yi is x2i minus x2i minus 1 and I is from 1 to 10. So we have to find out that what is the distribution for w. So let us write down whatever we have. We have what do we have? Xi follows normal distribution with 5 comma 2 and y is x2i minus x2i minus 1. Okay, it follows then what? N0 comma 4. Now by 2 follows n01, right? So what can you write down from here? Yi by 2 whole square follows chi square 1, correct? Now you look at this is summation. So if you make it yi square by 2, what you have? You have basically summation yi square by 4 follows chi square. Now what are we taking the summation over? I is equals to 1 to 10. So obviously by additive property we have chi square of degree of 10. So that means this is chi square degree of 10 and so the answer for this is chi square with degree of freedom 10. That is our option C. Now let us move on to the question number 10. Now in question number 10 we are given that samples are given, right? And there are observed values of random variable given. So you can see here that we are given what? That mu and sigma are unknown parameters here, okay? Now S is defined, that is 1 by 3 summation of xi minus x bar whole square. So you have to test what? Null hypothesis is that mu is equals to 0 and mu not equals to 0. Now as you can see, this is the case of using t distribution. The reason being you are trying to find out the parameter mu and sigma unknown. So the case is we have to use test statistics, okay? Now what is the formula for this test statistics? That is x bar minus mu by s by root n, that follows t n minus 1, right? That is this. Now here we have what? So x is equals to probability of x bar by s greater than k given mu is equals to 0. That is what is given here in the question. So now what can we do? We can solve it like we can just put the values in probability in the mod x bar minus 0 by s by 2 greater than what? 2k given mu is equals to 0, right? So now what we can do? So ultimately we can solve it that probability of what is the range here? T3, right? So absolute value of t should be greater than 2k given mu is 0 is equals to 0. So that means what here? That means both side we have what is this probability of t3 greater than 2k or minus t3 greater than minus 2k, right? I can write it down like that. So that means what is basically the answer here then, right? So it lies between what? So k is equals to half of t3 alpha by 2 tail test. So k is equals to half of t3. Here it is 5%, so 0.025, right? So let us check the options now. Which one is the option? Since we have mod in the given question, then it is option number A. Otherwise, if there was no mod given, then we would have selected D. Since mod, so both sides, that means positive as well as negative. So that is why two tail test and we have alpha by 2 which is 0.025. Okay.